Welcome to the online class of Balangir Public School, student of class 6th. Myself Snigdha Mahakud, your math teacher. Today we start another exercise. That is exercise 3.5. Some more divisibility rules. If a number is divisible by another number, then it is divisible by each of the factors of that number. For example, 24 is divisible by 8. Factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. So 1, 2, 4 and 8 also divisible by 24. Next, if a number is divisible by two co-prime numbers, then it is divisible by their product also. Here two co-prime numbers are 4 and 5. 4 and 5 are co-primes, and the number is, let the number be 80. 80 is divisible by 4. 80 is divisible by 5. So the product of 4 and 5 is 20. 80 is divisible by 4 and 5. So 80 is divisible by 20. Next, another example. 60. 60 is divisible by 3 and 5. 3 and 5 are co-primes. So 60 is divisible by 3 into 5, 15. If two given numbers are divisible by a number, then their sum also divisible by that number. Example. Here 16 and 20 are both divisible by 4. 16 divided by 4 is 4. 20 divided by 4 is 5. So 16 plus 20 is 36. So 36 also divisible by 4. 36 divided by 4 is 9. If two given numbers are divisible by a number, then their difference is also divisible by that number. Here 35 and 20 are both divisible by 5. 35 divided by 5 is 7. 20 divided by 5 is 4. And their difference, 35 minus 20 is equal to 15. So 35 and 20 are both divisible by 5. So their difference 15 is also divisible by 5. Next, prime factorization. In previous class we know what is factorization. 40. You have here 24. 24 is equal to 2 into 12. Prime factorization, that is all factors are prime. Here 2 is a prime number. Next 12. 12 is equal to 2 into 6. Here 2 is also a prime number. So is equal to 2 into 2. Next 6. 6 is equal to 2 into 3. So here 2 is a prime number and 3 is also prime number. So 24 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. All factors are prime, 2 and 3. Here if we find 24 is equal to 3 into 8. 3 is prime number. Next 8. 8 is equal to 2 into 4. Here 2 is also a prime number. Next 4 is we can write 4 as 2 into 2, that is 3 into 2 into 2 into 2. We can write it as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, that is all factors are prime. Here we can write 24 as 4 into 6. Here 4 we can write 4 as 2 into 2 and 6 as 2 into 3. 2 and 3 are prime numbers. So here all factors are prime. So we can write 24 as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Next 36. We can write 36 as 2 into 18, 3 into 12, 4 into 9. But 2 is prime, 18 is not a prime number. So we can write it as 2 into 18. We can write 18 as 2 into 9. Next 2 prime है 2 is a prime number, but 9 is not a prime number, so we can write it as 2 into 2, and we can write 9 as 3 into 3. So it is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. All factors are prime. 3 into 12, 3 is a prime number, 12 is not, so we can write 12 as 3 into 4. So it is 3 into 3 into 4. But 4 is also not a prime number, so we can write it as 3 into 3 into 4. We can write 4 as 2 into 2. So here 36 is equal to 3 into 3 into 2 into 2. All factors are prime. Next, 36 is equal to 4 into 9. We can write 4 as 2 into 2, 9 as 3 into 3. So its factors, prime factors are 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. This is prime factorization, means all factors are prime. We can write it as, we can draw factor tree. This is all about prime factorization. Next we study factor tree. What is factor tree? Here 90 we can write 90 as 9 into 10, 9 as 3 into 3, 9, 10, 2 into 5. We can write 90 as 15 into 6. We can write 15 as 3 into 5, 6 as 2 into 3. Here factor tree. 90 is equal to 9 into 10. We can write 9 as 3 into 3, 10 as 2 into 5. Next 90, we can write 90 as 15 into 6. We can write 15 as 3 into 5, 6 as 2 into 3. This is factor tree. Next, find the prime factorization of 980. Here 980, the ones place is 0, so it is divisible by 2. 2 4 ja 8, 1, 18, 2 9 ja 18, 0. 490, here ones place is 0, so it is divisible by 2. 2 2 ja 4, 2 4 ja 8, 1 10, 2 5 ja 10. Here 245 ones place is 5, so it is divisible by 5. 5 4 ja 20, 4 5 45, 5 9 ja 45. Here 49 is divisible by 7. 7 ja 49. 7 divided by 7 is 1. So the prime factorization of 980 is 2 into 2 into 5 into 7 into 7. That's all for today. Exercise 3.5 completed.